minus 10x plus 5xy, and on the other side, we are given minus 10x times 5xy. Now, this is addition and subtraction, so how do we solve them? Is it possible for us to combine minus 10 and plus 5 together? So the first thing we have to ask ourselves is if the variables are identical or not. So this is x raised to power 1, y this is x raised to power 1 also. So this variable, these unknowns are probably the same, but they are not the same entirely because this is x, y, this is x raised to power 1, y raised to power 1. This is just x raised to power 1, y there's no y here. So this is just x raised to power 1, y raised to power 0. So there's no way we can combine these two together because we have different variables. This is just ordinary x, while this is xy. So our final result is going to be, our final result will be the same thing, minus 10x plus 5xy. As simple as ABC. There's no way we can combine minus 10 and plus 5 together because we have different variables. So right here, we have minus 10x times 5xy. Now, the major rule when it comes to multiplication and division of basic algebra is simply this. We don't really care if the variables are the same. As you can see, the variables are different. This x is for 1, x is for 1, y is for 1. So what we just have to do when it comes to multiplication and division of basic algebra is for us to attend to the coefficients separately, and after that, then we attend to the variables separately. So the first coefficient we have here is minus 10, and the other one we have is plus 5. There's plus 5 here. So minus times plus will give us minus. 10 times 5 will give us 50. We're done with that. We're done with the coefficients. So let's look at the variables or the unknown. This is x is for 1 times xy. So x is for 1 times x is for 1. We have x times x, which is s squared. This one doesn't have a partner, s squared y. We just bring them together. So our final result is minus 50 s squared y, as easy as that. Question 2. We are asked to solve 25y squared s raised to power 3 minus 50 s raised to power 3 y squared. So we are asked to solve this under the addition and subtraction part. And we are given the same thing on the other side, but with a division sign. This simplified 25y squared s cubed divided by minus 50 s cubed y raised to power 2 or y squared. So how do we solve this one with subtraction? How do we get it done? Now don't forget, before we could add or subtract basic algebras together, it's very important that we have identical variables unknown. So let's see if the variables are identical. So that's y raised to power 2, y raised to power 2, sure. That's s raised to power 3,